This is a good question, sir. If you're not 60 years old, not qualified for 5 years, or lump sum ni GSIS. Sige po, bigyan natin ng good answer ito. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una sir, ang retirement benefits ni GSIS, may requirement yan. One of the requirements is 60 years old tayo and may 15 years government service or more. So, kung pasok tayo dyan, meron tayong lifetime monthly pension at age 60 and onwards. Pero kung hindi ka 60 years old, sir, tapos gusto mo na mag-retire, ay hindi ka qualified sa retirement benefits na monthly pension and yung lump sum nila na 5 years. So the answer po sa question nyo is hindi po. Hindi ka qualified. But qualified ka sa separation benefits ni GSIS. Ano po yung separation benefits po? Pag less than 60 years old tayo na nag-resign, na nag-retire, tapos meron tayong 3 years na government service to 15 years, meron kang matatanggap, sir, na separation benefits. Iba po yung separation benefits sa retirement benefits, sir. Ha? Simply said, sir, meron kang matatanggap na cash payment. So sa next video ko, sir, gawan ko ng short video ito kung how much po ang matatanggap ng mga government employees na gusto na mag-retire below 60 years old. Alright? So hope na nasagot ko yung question ni sir. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.